In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Jira user's account ID using a few easy steps. Whether you're managing a team or handling administrative tasks, knowing how to quickly find a user's account ID can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Most people typically use Chrome, but feel free to use whichever browser you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Jira login page. You'll need to enter your credentials here to access your account. It's important to ensure that your login information is correct to prevent any hiccups as you move forward in this process. Once you're logged in, let's move towards accessing the user management section. Locate your profile icon in the interface, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you will select the option labeled Jira Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on User Management. This is where all user-related management tasks are carried out, and it's the hub for all account information. If you prefer a more direct approach, you can type the following URL into your browser's address bar: https://id.atlassian.com/manage-profile-users. This will take you directly to the same user management page, bypassing the need to navigate through menus. Direct links can be a real time saver if you're familiar with them, and keeping them bookmarked could be beneficial for future use. Now that we are in the user management section, it's time to find the specific user whose account ID you need. There's typically a search bar prominently displayed on this page. Enter the name of the user into the search bar. If you're unsure of their full name or the exact spelling, you may need to try a few variations or check your communications with them for the correct information. Once you've found the right user in your search results, click on their name to open their profile page. This page provides detailed information about the user, which is usually displayed in a neat and organized format. Now for the final step, locating the account ID. If you take a look at the URL at the top of your browser, you'll notice a string of text following account ID. This is the account ID you need. Highlight it, right-click, and choose Copy to save it for whatever purpose you require this information. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied the Jira user's account ID. This process, once you're familiar with it, becomes quick and second nature. Remember that having this skill in your toolkit can be invaluable when working with complex team management tasks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on effectively using Jira.